only time when they holler is when they need you for favors.
So don't be yourself and you'll be fine. Okay, wait. So we're both gonna go through at the exact same time, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remind me why that is again?
So we both get work, Georgie. It's first come, first served, and I just think it gives us a fairer chance if we both go through at the exact same time, okay?
Cool, yeah.
Good.
Can you hold my coffee? I'm gonna pour my tights up.
Yes, I can do that. Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm trying to stack up my paper. Fuck up a hater. The only time when they holler is when they need you for favors.
Hi.
Hello.
Georgie.
Excuse me?
Oh, Danny, my darling. Do you two know each other?
No. Hi. Oh, thank you. How kind.
Oh, she's brilliant, is Danny, one of our top girls. We actually have some news for you, my lovely. We've put you forward for our Temp of the Year award. There's a ceremony and everything. Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's... Tracy, thank you so much.
Oh, bless her. She's so overwhelmed she doesn't know what to say. Oh, let that sink in. So, welcome to Corporate Angels. Georgie, you were in first, so that means you're front of the pile, so that makes you number one. And Danny, you're number two, Poppet. All right, so if you just want to pop yourselves in the waiting room and I'll go and see what work we've got coming in.
Thanks, Tracy.
Okay, you two get to know each other.
Cherry, 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 cherry.
What was that? What was what? Oh, go fuck yourself.
End of the year, cute.
What are you wearing?
Whose ass do you like to get that?
You're wearing a tutu?
It was Tracy's.
A tutu?
Yeah, it's my only black skirt.
Yeah, well, you fucked it now by wearing that, so...
Shut up, we had this all planned.
What do you mean I had it all planned?
Danny, you're Tracy's favourite. You knew whatever job came in first, she'd give to you, OK? We must go in at the same time. Equal chance. Load of shit.
Are you mimicking me?
Yeah, I am, mate, because you knew what you were doing.
Oh, did I? I was being genuine.
Were you?
Yes.
Oh.
And now you've ruined it because you ran ahead.
I did it because I thought you were being sneaky.
Oh, really, did you? Fuck off.
Right, girlies, so we've only had one job come in at the moment, I'm afraid. Now, the client wants a candidate with quite specific experience, so I'm going to have to run this up the flagpole with both of you. So, Georgie, my love, do you want to hop along with me first? And Dan, if you want to help yourself to tea and bickies, you know where they are. Right, so before we start, we just need to go over your attire. From the waist up, you're fine. From the waist down, needs a bit of work. Okay. You look like you're about to hike up Snowdonia, my darling. Do you have any spare shoes with you?
No, although I am quite comfortable being barefoot. It's actually what I prefer.
You do need shoes in the corporate world, my lovely. Just check if any of our girls have got spares.
Thanks.
That's if you get the role. Shall we crack on?
Yeah.
So, this client, they're looking for someone who's a team player. Therefore, what I need from you is an example of a time when you found yourself in a difficult situation and you got yourself out of it by working as part of a team.
OK, well, this is easy. One time, my best friend and I were on a night out in Peckham with a group of mates, but we got separated from them because we were fucked. Like, she'd left work at midday to start drinking with me, kind of fucked. So anyway, we're on the side of the road, and this guy pulls up in a car and offers us a lift. So my best mate's obviously like, what the actual fuck, mate? Why would you offer two young girls a lift?
But then he said he was a Harry Potter fan.
So she just hops right in. So now we're in the car with him, right?
And he soon confesses that he's not a Harry Potter fan and
He'd like us to stick a finger up his asshole. We didn't really want to do that, but we knew we needed to find a compromise because we weren't sure if we'd get out alive, Tracy. So we offered to do it with a biro. But he didn't want that. So we settled on a good spanking, which he loved. So I think what makes me a team player in that situation is that when she got in the car, I followed her because we're a team.
OK.
Cherry, cherry, cherry.
OK, Danny, my darling, do you want to come through?
Yep.
Bye. My God, that Georgie is crackers.
I did get that vibe from her.
A few sandwiches short of a picnic, if you ask me.
Well, I think so.
Well, look, we both know this is just a formality, but I've got to make things look fair, my sweet. Do you know what I mean? So shall we get started?
Yeah.
So this one, Danny, it's really promising. They could potentially take you on full time, and that's what we want. We want you out there smashing it. Not a lot of people can tempt like you do. We see that. I think it's safe to say we're singing from the same hymn sheet here. Yeah? Let's go out there and let Georgie down gently, shall we?
Oh, absolutely, Tracy. I mean, I would love that.
Come on then, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's odd. She must have gone.
She must have known. Adam!
Danny?
Georgie!
Adam? Wait, what, the Adam?
Yes!
Tinder Adam.
Yes!
But he's so hot. You're so hot. He doesn't look like a weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo.
You tried to piss on me!
No, I didn't.
Don't you dare try and gaslight me, motherfucker. You got your dick out, aimed it at my face, and said you were going to piss on me because you were the teapot and I was the cup.
Well, you two know each other?
Yes, we're best friends. We live together. We do everything together.
Yeah, and now we're being pissed on by the same men.
Was Danny the best friend you were talking about earlier? Oh, God. All those times you left work early because of your IBS.
Look, I don't know what's going on here, but
OK,
there's
Danny,
nothing...
I think we need to write today off. Adam, this is your final strike.
I've been so good, Auntie Trey.
All that money we spent on your emotional intelligence certificate. Well, I don't care what your excuse is this time, or quite frankly, who you've pissed on, but it's not going to be corporate angels. I'm calling your mum.
Get your dick out of my hand.
I hate myself.
I love myself.
I hate you.
No, you don't. Just did you a favour, mate. You're nominated for 10th of the year.
Fuck's sake, I was, wasn't I? Mm-hmm. Oh, well, not anymore. Oh. Well, what am I going to do now? Georgie, it's 8:30 a.m.
Yeah. Happy Monday, baby.
I'm trying to stack up my paper. Will fuck up a hater. The only time when they holler is when they need you for favors.